G'day everyone, it's great to be back for a sunrise bait fishing session at Lake Moodemere. Hey you! You're watching Robbie Fishing. Lake Moodemere, Lake Moodemere.
Railway crossing ahead.
Right now I'm rigged and ready, baited up, ready to go. This rod is a running sinker rig with a very small sinker and 2 Jan Juck worms. And I'll put that out there. And this rod here's got a larger sinker, a paternoster rig and 5 corn kernels on it. It's only a small hook. And it can go way out there. There's been an abundance of small carp over here at Lake Moodemere lately. I haven't been over here for a morning session since last winter, but the few times I have been over here during the day or of an evening, there's been a lot of small carp in the lake. It's been, the larger ones have been sort of few and far between. Hopefully I can change that today. Getting a bottle of worms already, it's been in 5 minutes. Wouldn't have been in that, wouldn't have been in probably a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and I've already had a nibble on the worms. In a lot of my videos over here, I actually mentioned that the lake's been stocked with yellow belly, but you don't see too many. And then I just catch carp after carp after carp. And then a few weeks ago, I came over here without my camera. I just decided to come and do a bit of recreational fishing for relaxation purposes. I left the camera at home and I caught a 47 centimetre yellow belly while fishing from my kayak. Missed it. No, I've got it, I think. It's just very small. Yep, I'm on the board. I'm on the board with a very, very small carp. It's a monster, isn't it? Okay. Trying to catch it this time. Gee, there's a lot of little carp jumping around, isn't there? Got him. I've had about 20 bites that I didn't hook up. Gee, it's bloody small though. It's bigger than the last one, I think. This one is swimming sideways a little bit. There you go, look at that, I've upsized. I've upsized to about 20 centimetres. I'll get a quick photo, then I'll put him out of his misery. Look at the sun, the first sun to sit in the boat shed over there. Looks good, doesn't it? You bite central here. Got him. So what's that, 4 fish on the 1 worm? Yeah, I just need something with a little bit more size to it. I think that's the smallest one so far. Right, now I've just caught 4 carp in quick succession. You only got to see 3 of them because I was gas bagging when I caught one. I was talking to a guy named Ken who just decided to stop here on his way to work and just watch the sunrise and get a couple of photos. A really nice guy. It was lovely to meet you, Ken. And I can certainly see why he would stop here and get some sunrise photos, because how beautiful is that? Here comes the sun, da-da-da-da. Here comes the sun, and I said, it's alright. Oh, that straight away bite. Got him. Right, this one's not as small as the last one. Still only a small fish, but he's not as small. Oh yeah, the fish are getting bigger. Now I'll leave that same worm on there. Put that out in the same spot. Let's see how long it takes to get a nibble. I'm getting a bite and I can't really see what I'm doing. I've just put my sunglasses on, but one side's all fogged up. I've got him, and I can only see out my left eye. They're all wet. They've got a bit of dew on them from sitting here. A tiny, weeny little carpio. Bum, bum, bum. Another one bites the dust. He goes in the worms and got him. Hey bird, do you want a fish? I've got an incy wincy weeny teeny weeny carp here you can have. You need about 30 of them to fill your stomach up. Just had quite a nice bite on the worms. Here it goes again, and on the cheese the corn. I've got the fish, but I've also got a tangle. Got him. Right. I put the corn out there hoping to catch a bigger fish, and that's exactly what I've done. It's not an absolute monster, but it's certainly bigger than, it might be bigger than I first thought actually. Got to pick it up. I said I got him on the cheese, corn, worms. But I can guarantee it's on the corn. The plan has worked. I put this out further in the hope that the bigger ones might be out a bit deeper, and it's worked. Still not a huge fish, but he's certainly a lot bigger than the ones I've been catching. Coming in for landing. One good thing about Lake Moodemere, you can just beach them like that. Beautiful. I'll get a quick picky of him on there. And that morning sun, magnificent. Well, that worked. The plan was put the corn out further in the hope that the bigger fish might be out a bit further, and it worked. It wasn't a record-breaking carp. But at around the 40 centimetre size, it was about 20 times bigger than everything else that I've caught today. Something's got my worm here. And he's swimming with it and got him. I lost him. I've got him, it's just very small. Another sunrise minnow of the carpy kind. This is how easy it is to catch a carp at Lake Moodemere at the moment. Let's throw the line out now. I'll sit here and wait. I'm using a running sinker as a nibble. He's taking up the slack. Something's taking up the slack. It's only a small nibble. Here he goes, he's taking up the slack. He hasn't got it in his mouth yet. It's a fish playing with it. He spat it back out for now. Here he goes. No. I'm waiting for him to really take up the slack and put a bend in the rod, and then I'll strike. He's back, and got him. I'm having so much fun over here. The fish are tiny. I did catch one bigger one earlier, but look at that. That's just the typical May morning Moodemere mud marlin. Or should I say May morning Moodemere mini mud marlin. same worm out there. Just noticed a bit of a nibble on me corn. I'm watching that closely because I reckon that's where any bigger fish I might catch today are going to come from, the corn, I reckon. Got him. This one's a little bit bigger. This might be the second biggest one today if I'm lucky. Oh yeah, the fish are getting bigger. I've caught a few that size, not a monster. Probably 20 centimetres, I suppose. Big bite on the corn there. Then he's still there, still playing with it. That was a better bite, that. Come on, can I catch another big one? Or has he taken all my corn? No, something's still playing with it there. Got him. He's not as big as the other one that I caught, but he's certainly bigger than these tiny, weeny little ones that I'm catching. I think he might be similar to the one that I just caught on the worms a minute ago. They're in the 20 centimetre size. He is too. That's actually a silver perch. I've just caught a silver perch at Lake Moodemere on corn. Can you believe it? I'm so excited. A silver perch. That's the first time I've ever caught one on corn. That's the second one I've caught at Lake Moodemere, and I'm super excited about that. It's good to actually catch a fish that I can release. Sunrise silver perch from Lake Moodemere, you bloody ripper. Bigger than the tiddlers that I've been getting, but still a tiddler. I must be up to 10 or 15 of these little carp now. They're coming in thick and fast. Yep, another little carpio. I was just about to check me corn. I just picked it up and started reeling it in, and then I've got a bite on the worms. Another little El Carpio. Got him. Done him. Bastard. I haven't done him. He's just got him, done him. Haven't really done him. He's just camouflaged. Camouflaged by being not much heavier than the sinker. Still holding to hope with each fish that it could be a silver perch now. But once again, it's not. Just a nice big bite. Here we go. Got him. What have I got? The hell have I got here? What? It feels like a massive turtle. Oh, that's not. It's moving. It's got to be a massive turtle. That's very, very, very heavy. I don't want it going over near my other rod. It's got to be a big turtle. It's just... It's has to be a turtle. Don't go near my other rod, mate. Just don't want it to tangle up on the... That's got to be a huge turtle. It is a big turtle. It's a big turtle. Come on, mate. I'll unhook you and get you back. Oh, good. He feels bigger than he is because he's actually hooked, not in the mouth. Come on, mate. Come on, buddy. He is a big turtle. Come on, mate. Come here. And he's got sharp feet. Ow. If you stop kicking me, I'll get the hook out. They're barely even in. Turtle, big on. It was barely, I don't know how he didn't get off. As soon as I grabbed that hook, it literally fell out. It was hooked that shallow. Got him. Oh, not another turtle. That's a bigger carp, I think. Yeah, baby, finally a bigger one. Listen to that drag scream. Yes, another bigger one. I've been casting it out, straight away get a bite. Cast it out, straight away get a bite. I've been catching small carp after small carp after small carp. You just know that something else could happen. You could catch a silver perch or a bigger carp. Or even there are yellow belly in here, as I caught recently when the camera wasn't rolling. And even now, even though this is most likely a carp, I'm holding on to hope that it might be a big yellow belly. This has been such an amazing morning. I've never caught so many fish here in May. I haven't had a good look at it yet. You know, even though it's most likely a carp, it's just always in the back of my head, what if? What if it's something else? What if it's something better? No, it's a big old muddy. Probably the biggest one today. I'll beach him and I'll get a pick. Come on, buddy. Up you get. Hey, break me line. Don't you get back in the water, you. Oh, no. Catch and release carp fishing. He broke the line. I'm only using 4-pound line, and as I was dragging it up the bank, the line snapped and I raced in with my new shoes. They're bogs. My bogs, to try and kick it back up on the bank, but it got off. Environmental vandalism, that's all that was. But let's be realistic, it's a drop in the ocean compared to the numbers of carp that are in here. But still, I didn't get me photo. Fun and games, folks, fun and games. Never in my wildest dreams would I have expected to have such an amazing fishing session here at Lake Moodemere in May. In fact, it's probably the most action-filled fishing session I've ever had at Lake Moodemere. It's certainly been a morning that I'll never forget.